Born on 7th November 1955 in Chennai, Sri Subramaniam Srinivasan laid the foundation of a remarkable journey early in life. He completed his schooling in Chennai and pursued engineering at the prestigious College of Engineering, Guindy, setting the stage for an inspiring professional career. His professional journey began on 15th November 1977 when he joined Shriram Refrigeration in Hyderabad as a graduate engineer trainee. Over the years, he worked with leading companies such as Amtrek's Air Conditioning, later Hitachi in Pune, and joined Lloyd Electric and Engineering, now LEEL, in 1991. With over 48 years of rich experience, he has contributed immensely to the air conditioning and refrigeration industry in India. Foundation of Spirotech. In 1994, Srinivasan co-founded Spirotech Heat Exchangers along with Dr. R.K. Malhotra and other shareholders. The mission was clear: two minds, one mission, building success on trust, respect and teamwork. From the very beginning, the focus was on innovation, quality and creating a strong, dedicated team. Spirotech began commercial production in 1996 and has achieved many industry first milestones. In 1996, it introduced high-efficiency coils using 7mm tubes in India. In 1999, it became the first Indian company to export coils from India. In 2012, it pioneered aluminum tube aluminum fin coils. In 2013, it launched 5mm copper coils, once again leading the way in innovation.
In 2016, Spirotech became part of the LUVE group of Italy, further strengthening its global footprint.
From a turnover of just €2 million in 2020, Spirotech's revenue consistently grew, reaching €51.15 million in 2024. Today, with more than 90% of its revenue from exports, Spirotech is the preferred supplier to leading European brands.
Spirotech's excellence has been recognized through multiple awards, including EEPC Awards for Export Performance and the Supplier Quality Award from Ingersoll Rand for consistent quality improvement. With a world-class facility in Bhiwadi spanning over 40,500 square meters
and employing more than 800 people,
Spirotech stands as a symbol of Indian engineering excellence. Under the visionary leadership of Sri Subramaniam Srinivasan, Spirotech has not only built a successful company but also an enduring legacy of innovation, trust and global recognition.
My name is Duyesh Gautam. Mr. Srini, sir, contribution is really difficult to express in one line, one sentence. He's a great leader, he's a great mentor and always led from the front for this company. Under his guidance, the company achieved the highest growth. The biggest challenge for us to keep on top, because Mr. Srini sir has set such a highly benchmark for all of us. And it's our duty to make sure that we will remain on the top.
It has been an absolute honor to work with you for past more than a decade, sir. You have not only been our managing director, but you have been a teacher, a guide, a mentor. I have personally experienced the way you have guided us in all the ups and downs of the organization and also at a personal level. I consider you as my guardian as well.
Dear sir, working with you is not just a job, it was a learning journey. Under your leadership, we just not only learn how to work, but we also learn how to keep our team together like a family. Your honesty, positive attitude not just only took this company to a great height, but also impact individual's life.
I always remember that how you have supported us in very tough time like COVID. Even you have offered financial help from your pocket. This type of similar incident, there are multiple incidents which shows that you truly cares for people. Thank you, sir, for guiding us with kindness and wisdom.
He is a great leader and is a great mentor. Under his guidance, company has gained achievements and growth.
You have been the epitome of integrity and exemplary leadership with invaluable contributions. We wish you continued success for your new role.
Thank you, sir, for trusting us and giving space to grow. This made us more confident and responsible. I wish you for your good health.
I was amazed with his deep passion for lean and operational excellence and the powerful knowledge he brings into every conversation that help us a lot. when management or leadership team is so understanding and aligned with your lean initiative, that as a lean manager your job becomes much easier.
One thing I will always remember about the MD sir, quality of leadership. If I describe the MD sir journey, I can say inspiring. And thank you, MD sir, for leading us with the vision and integrity.
They always suggest us, doesn't matter what is your profession, whatever work you take on, just give best and be best in your profession. Either it is cobbler or it is an engineer. Give your best and be best in your profession.
Sir, your vision and direction are inspiring. Thank you for steering our team toward the success with such clarity and determination.
Srinivasan sir has a great leader in this organization. He is motivating all of us to achieve our goals.
In last 9 years, I am working with Srinivasan sir and learn a lot from him.
How happy I am that I got chance to work with you. I am indeed grateful for your support. I wish to get your guidance for future ahead.
Srini sir set exemplary standard in innovation, trust and teamwork. He has always shown unwavering faith in his team. Under his leadership, I have learned values that not only enhance my professional life, also a personal.
Dear Srini sir, as you are starting new inning of your life, we will remember your journey which led this organization with your vision, passion and dedication. We will miss your guidance in future, but the path you paved will continue to inspire us. We wish you a healthy, fulfilling and joyful new chapter ahead. Thank you.
Srini sir, describing you in a small words or a small time, it is a really difficult task for me. I would like to thank you for giving me great opportunity with a lot of motivation. You have led the team with a lot of humanity and confidence. We will continue our journey on the path which you have already led.
Dear sir, thank you for your support and leadership. Your vision and dedication have been inspiration for us. Wishing you happiness and success for future. Thank you.
Dear sir, as you step into this new chapter of life, we wish you good health, happiness and success. Your leadership and guidance will always be remembered with deep respect and admiration. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you, sir.
Srinivasan sir, you are a great leader, excellent professional, and on top, the most humble and kind person I have come across during my life. Your vision and guidance had made not only Spirotech to achieve new heights, but also develop many people, including me, to achieve success in their lives.
Here's a small poem for you, sir. A leader's journey ends, a chapter closes tight. As you retire, your legacy shines bright. Years of dedication, vision and might have shaped our organization, a beacon in sight. May your retirement be filled with delight and your legacy continues to inspire our sight. Wishing you happiness, good health and cheer. In this new chapter, may your heart be clear. Congratulations on your retirement, a well-deserved rest. May your life be filled with love, joy and the very best.
First of all, thanks to MD sir for inspirational leadership and dedicated guidance. You have left a lasting impact on all of us and will be deeply missed. And I am very thankful to work with you, and you are such a very nice and humble and very cooperative person. I am very lucky to work with you.
It has been truly an honor to work under your leadership, your guidance, to clear vision, clarity of the vision and constant encouragement have to inspire to us to grow both as a professional as an individual.
Dear Srini, as you step into retirement, we are not only celebrating your remarkable career, but also the legacy you leave behind. Your leadership, vision, and ability to inspire have profoundly shaped our organization and the people we meet. You have guided your company through challenges with clarity and determination, always keeping an eye on the future.
Dear Srini, as you conclude this distinguished chapter of your career, I wish to express my deepest gratitude for your dedication, integrity, and leadership. Your contributions have left a lasting impact on both colleagues and the organization, and your example will continue to inspire. May this new stage of life bring you fulfillment, joy, and the well-deserved reward of time for yourself and your loved ones. My sincere regards. Thank you for everything, Elijah.
Dear Srini, on behalf of all of us, I would like to extend our deepest appreciation for your years of dedication, professionalism, and leadership. Your guidance and vision have left a lasting impact, and your presence will be sincerely missed. As you enter this new chapter, we wish you continued health, fulfillment, and enjoyment of well-deserved time for yourself and your loved ones. With the highest regards and warm wishes, thank you for everything. Ciao Srini. Davide.
Dear Srini, it has been for me a real honor and a pleasure meeting you and having the opportunity to work with you in these 10 years. Your passion, your determination to render Spirotech, the second biggest company of the group, failed for the investment decided in Poland. Your strong ethic of works have always been characteristic that perfectly matched with the values that our founder, Dr. Eugenio, has spread throughout the group and have guaranteed the effective integration of Spirotech. I am sure that all people who have had the chance to work with you will feel more committed now to carry on your legacy, now that you are going to enjoy the new adventure of having time for yourself, for your passions, and for your loved one. Enjoy your well-deserved retirement. You will do great things also in this new phase.
After so many years of working together, we are here to say goodbye to Srini. We're preparing to begin a new adventure, enjoying life with his lots and wants and his hobbies. Over all these years, Srini has not only been a colleague but a model, with his values, expertise, and dedication. He has left an indelible mark that will never be erased. We will miss his expertise, his advice, and that unique way of facing the most challenging days with smile and calm. But most of all, we will miss his presence because work is made of projects, deadlines, yes. But above all, it's all about people. And Srini was one of these people who made our company better, definitely. So, Srini, we wish you a future full of time for yourself, for your passions, for everything you always put off. Enjoy it, because you deserve it.
Namaste, Srini. The first time I came to India to visit Spirotech, you showed me the factory, and at the end of the tour, you asked me what was the most beautiful thing I saw. And I replied you, it was the passion and the dedication you showed toward the company. And the same passion and dedication you've been showing toward LUVE Group, and you've been the embodiment of all the principles that LUVE Group is proposing all over the years. So thank you very much, Sri. I wish all the best to you for your next career, and hope you have a very good time with your family and your loved ones. Take care, Srini. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Dear Srini, we have known each other since 2016. And from the first meeting, I understood that I had in front of me a great professional, a great businessman, but above all, a great man. Together, we have won a lot of challenges. The merger, the great growth, but also the difficult moment. And I would thank you for your integrity and for building a strong team who will be able and sure to continue the job that you started. Thank you for all and good luck. Ciao, Srini.
Dear Srini, even if I will personally attend to your party, I would like to leave to you also this video message to enrich your nightmares. After all the nice words said by our colleagues, what else can I say? Not much. Maybe I could tell a couple of stories about the long negotiation back in 2016 when I decided to buy Spirotech. I'm sure you will perfectly recall all the discussion, the difficulties, as usual, due to the lawyers, the cost layers, and so on. But one point was crystal clear to me even from the very beginning. The operation will work only if Srini, together with the rest of the historical dream team, Rajesh, Duesh, and the others, will stay on board with the same passion, the same commitment, and the skills and the know-how. As usually, I was right. We went through tough moments, specifically during COVID, when even before talking to each other, we decided to vaccinate all our people. But as Riccardo said, your calm, rational, and competent approach was one of the key of our capacity to fight, to resist, to compete, and to succeed. It has been for me a real pleasure and an honor to get to know you and to work with you during all these years. And therefore, I wish to you and to all your dears all the best in the next years to come. A big hug. Okay. Ciao, Sri.
It was an honor working with you, sir.
It was an honor working with you.
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 It was an honor working with him.
It was an honor working with you. It was an honor working with you.
We love you.